Borders can make your designs interesting. I love adding borders in Canva because they turn simple designs into eye-catching art. Let me show you how to do this in a few simple steps. You can add a border to any design in Canva. First, click on Elements on the left side of your screen. Type a border in the search box. You will see many border options. Some are free, while others need Canva Pro. I prefer neon borders because they add that spark to any design. So, once you find the border you like, drag it onto your canvas. Now, start moving your border to one corner of your design. Click and drag the corner until it matches either the width or height of your project. This trick works for any canvas size. And here are some tips you should know. First, always scale your corners, not sides. Also, use Shift key for better control. You should also try different border styles to match your designs. And the last tip is to make sure your border is not too wide or too thin. In my opinion, you don't need to be a design expert to add great borders. Just play around with different styles until you find one you like. The best part is that you can always undo and try again if you don't like how it looks. So I hope this guide helps you. Create amazing border designs in Canva. Start with simple borders, and as you get more comfortable, try making your own unique border styles.